Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Preliminaries to quarterfinals, and now we are on the exciting part of the tournament, and these teams are now ready to kick off the stage of the competition. Welcome to Bucal Season 6 Men's and Women's Volleyball, and we are coming to you live now at the NCF covered court for the day of the semi-finals and the game 1 of the finals for the women's division. Magandang hapon, Bicolandia.
Well, a great match as we kick off the semifinals. We have a triple header match this afternoon. You know what, Kelly? I am very excited for this first game because we have the newcomer of Season 6 of Bucal, the BISCAST Spartans, will head-to-head against the season team, the University of Nueva Cáceres. How about that, Kelly?
And of course, would like to acknowledge their efforts going to the
That's
semifinals
true.
right now, considering that they are just a newbie team. I mean, pagbabalik ng BISCAST on Bucal,
That's
however, on the volleyball tournament, and syempre, with that, congratulations na agad. Whether kung sino man
Very
manalo
true, Kelly.
on this game, syempre, ay makikita natin sa finals game for the men's division.
This is not just the battle of who will gonna advance to the finals, but this is the battle of showcasing the pride of both teams, both schools, and also their individual talents. inside of the NCF covered court. And we would like to invite everyone to watch here live at the NCF covered court to support your team, to give them your utmost support. Also, you can watch this live at Oragon Sports TV, Bucal at One Media TV 48 Naga.
And also would like to acknowledge, of course, all the live audiences na papunta pa lang at nandito na, at maraming sa pagtutok. Nakakasama niyo po kami. Ako po si Kelly Francisco, and joining with me today is Aljon Pogoy to give you an update later on with our two courtside reporters. At magbabalik po tayo maya-maya lamang only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction, with multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
To empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
And we are now back here at the NCF covered court. It's the battle between the BISCAST Spartans versus the UNC Greyhound. And today, of course, as we're seeing on the screen, the warm-up of the UNC. But right now, mapapakinggan naman natin ang update ng ating court reporter na makakasama ngayon sa side ng BISCAST. Dylan, ano ang update sa'yo dyan?
Hello Bicol Lancha, this is Bucal Season 6 Men's Volleyball-Semi-Finals round. I am Dylan Talagtag at ako maghahatid sa inyo ng updates on the side of BISCAST Spartans. So last matchup, the BISCAST Spartans showed us their extraordinary skills and talent inside the court. With their perseverance and eagerness, the team secured their spot in the semifinals. According kay Coach Roel, the team trained so hard. At ang plan nga nila ay gawin ang block touch since matatangkad ang magiging kalaban nila for this matchup. Reminder din nga ni Coach to the team to maintain their composure and just enjoy the game. Aangat nga ba ang dugong Spartans? Tutukan natin yan dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Dylan. The BISCAST should be proud of themselves and as well as the team because this is their first appearance in Bucal. Well, a major comeback because now they are playing in the semifinals and a chance to get a snatch to the finals. And I like how they prepared for the UNC. Well, UNC, as we know, they are the seasoned teams here in Bucal, wins a lot of games and also Coach is right dapat composure lang talaga. They always play based on their system, the way they train themselves, and I like how they execute that later on.
Also talking about the UNC Greyhounds as well, these teams, these veteran teams are now coming into the semifinals again and again, and let's see if makukuha ba nila once again to fight for the championship. But talking about like that, of course, gusto natin mapakinggan ang update sa side ng Greyhounds na makakasama natin ang ating magandang courtside reporter na si Precious. Precious, ano ang update dyan sa'yo?
Maraming salamat, Kelly and Aljon. A high-striking afternoon, Bicol Lanja. You're back once again here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, for the intense and classic matchup for Bucal Season 6 Volleyball Men's Semi-Finals of BISCAST Spartans versus the UNC Greyhounds. Given the last place of the Greyhounds, the team is eager to secure a spot for the finals, kaya atin muling tunghayan at pakatutukan ang kanilang set of tactics to sustain what they have started. This is Precious Garcia, your courtside correspondent, all the way from the UNC Greyhounds. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Precious. Well, UNC, Kelly, as I've said a while ago, a lot of wins from them from the previous Bucal. In fact, they beat the defending champion, NCF, and we are very excited of them because they can play to secure the finals of the Season 6 of Bucal and a lot of chances for them, but how they execute the game will depend on them.
Well, if this will happen, Aljon, syempre, it's a big win for them kasi makakapasok na sila sa finals again.
That's true.
Against, let's see mamaya second game kung sino makakalaban nito if they will win right now. But syempre, talking about these teams, they're ready to kick off the stage of this competition. Syempre, they prepared for this one.
Exactly,
And hindi madali ang kanilang mga pinagdaanan. Syempre sa training, mula pa lang ng preliminaries. And of course, all na trainings na ginagawa nila. And also considering that UNC Greyhounds is a veteran team at marami pa silang papatunayan kahit na veteran na talaga sila.
Well, this is also the battle of their team captain, Antonio. And on the side naman, Abundo, well, we are expecting more from their leadership. We're expecting they will lead this team to win and to secure the final scale. And also, makikita din natin dito kung sino ba yung mag-shine. Siyempre, this is a team sports. Dapat tulungan nila yung team captain nila because this is a team sports, and if they want to secure the finals, this is actually a team event.
And also, this will not be easy for them considering that against the BISCAST Spartans who won on the quarterfinals against their opponent and talagang kinaya. Actually, the BISCAST are down with one set against the Ateneo, but still, naipanalo nila and they are now on the semifinals.
Dito naman sa UNC, well, they already beat the NCF, the defending champions, and also titingnan natin kung kaya pa nilang ma-secure ang finals and to beat again who is gonna be on the finals.
Siyempre, wag po kayong lilingon dahil maya-maya lamang ay makikita na natin ang laro for the semifinals. It's the game 1 at marami pa tayong aabangan only here on Bucal Season 6 Volleyball Tournament at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor. Kasurog kang kalikasan. Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target, because it is time. One target, one mission. designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction. With multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
To empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered and CM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
College of Teacher Education can give you first-hand experience to hone your specialties with its equipment that can enhance your skills and knowledge.
Also, to develop lifelong learners who are globally competent and ethically efficient and responsive to the needs of the time.
Do you want to leap into your future? Be part of the College of Teacher Education.
We are now back on the hard court and we will be starting the first set of the semi-final game for today's matchup. Again, it's the battle of the UNC Greyhounds and the BISCAST Spartans.
I'm, feeling nervous, Kelly, for both of these teams because this is a knockout round. There's no another chance for them, Kelly, to get back. But what they can do right now is to give their all. Kasi hindi na ito mauulit.
Hindi na pwede.
Kung sino yung matatalo, at sino yung mananalo will advance to the finals. We are expecting more from these teams. They came up very, very strong on the previous quarterfinals and elimination rounds. So I guess they are all prepared mentally and we hope that this semi-final will be a healthy game for them. No injuries.
Yeah, we all hope for that. No injuries or any sprains or kahit anong masasaktan yung mga players kasi
That's
syempre
true.
sobrang hirap ng mga pinagdaanan nila coming into the training, coming to this game, and we hope them well for today's matchup. And now, we will be starting our first set, and let's witness the first 6 of the players of the both teams.
Well, sa both first 6 dito ng dalawang koponan, BISCAST, same faces. Ang first 6 nila on the previous quarterfinals at dito naman sa UNC. These are the players who've played last seasons of Bucal as far as I remember. So in terms of experience, may advantage ang UNC dito, but if you a newcomer in the season, well, you can actually give pressure on your opponent because you are very excited, very elated to play in the prestigious volleyball tournament in this Bicol region. Now set number 1. BISCAST will serve the ball. Valentina. A good first set. A quick is deflected. Proa, soft touch. Great dive by Valentina. Now another chance to Greyhounds to kill this ball. Proa, triple block. Proa again tries. Abundo. A great defense and straight to the net for Cadiz. A little long rally on that first sequence.
And then that play, kinapos lang straight to the net. And now serving Rico Huerta. Opposite. Pick up by Antonio. Now really with a hulog. Good save. Again! Straight to the net for the BISCAST Spartans. Sunudan. Na error na yun ang binigay dito coming from BISCAST. It's 2-0 on the scoreboard.
Medyo malamig pa dito si Cadiz, but again, Cadiz. And a great comeback for him. Now challenging the tall blockers of UNC. Now Cadiz will serve the ball for the Spartans. On the opposite, Proa.
Proa through the block. And as we look onto the replay, talagang basag yung blocker na yon, and that side, it's 3-1 on the scoreboard. Now serving Proa. Good receive there. Setting up to the open. Deflected. Now Boneo will do spike. Good dig by Proa. Now to the opposite again, Rile. And that helps. A lucky point for the UNC Greyhounds.
Well, that was a good play for Rile. Talagang nakita niya kung saan papadaanin yung bola. Well, also, mataas kasi yung reach na Rile. Talagang makikita niya kung saan pupunta ang blockers.
Now still Proa on the service line. The good receive in the middle, deflected to the blocker. Now Benay will try. Oops! Good point. Now, chance, but a 4 touches violation will be called. It didn't reach the blocker after that spike. And it's 5-1 down to 4 points for the UNC Greyhounds. Talking about that play, sayang, it's a violation called. Now Pro on the service line. Could receive again now. And that's a check ball for the BISCAST Spartans.
Well, look at that again. Agi served the ball and powering it through the double block.
And also the set, we also need to acknowledge that set. Nagawan pa ng paraan doon. Serving, jersey number 6. Came po with the receive. Now Rile, but that does not end. And it's a point for the BISCAST Spartans. Medyo mababa yung set na yun doon and also yung palo ni Rile. But a give point for the UNC Greyhound after that service error coming from the BISCAST Spartan. It's a 5-3. It's 6-3 now. Tatlong kalamangan.
Well, they have to minimize their unforced error here because nagahabol sila dito. Now 4-6. 2 points away to tie up this first set.
And dot play, Algen, down the line hit. And no one is there for the Greyhounds. Kaya naman puntos for the BISCAST. Jersey number 13 on that serve. Now, Antonio with a high leap, but long shot. 6-5. Isang puntos na lamang ang kalamangan dito ng UNC Greyhound. Now setting up, but the joust and an overreaching called for Flores. Kaya naman libreng puntos for the UNC Greyhounds.
Rile is on the deck to serve. Abondo again challenging the blockers, but that is such a point for the Spartans. Nakita kasi ng first referee na tumama yung bola na yon sa blockers. Well, a tight first set, Kelly, for these teams. Now Abondo is on the deck to serve.
Now, jersey number 3 for the Spartans will be serving. Safe serve. Almost a service ace. Now chance for the BISCAST. Libero setting up to the open. Another down the line hit. And check ball.
Well, let's check it out again. That a good first ball, but Cadiz really pushing it through to get that point. We're now tied up at 7.
Talking about that, of course, we're now tied up 7-all. And also, I think the UNC Greyhound needs to strengthen their communication inside the court kasi kanina pa talaga sila dito struggling in terms of communication. On the side of the BISCAST, tumahabol dito, and we are now again tied up 7-all.
Well, we've seen who dominated the first few sets on the BISCAST. We have Cadiz and Abondo really helping each other out to get a point. Dito naman sa UNC, it's Rile and Antonio Pro as well.
Now back to the game. It's effective one for Texon in the middle. And you know what, Aljan? Sobrang tight ng score dito for the both teams. At talagang hindi natin makikita agad-agad kung sino ba ang lalamang because both teams are now working hard inside the court on their offense and defense as well. But now setting up to the open, dig by Kimpo. On the back, Antonio, but that goes straight to the net.
Well, we've seen 2 unforced errors on the attacks for Antonio. We don't usually see that from him now. He'll be out in this first set. Panambo will check in Cali.
An early out for the UNC Greyhounds, and it's Antonio. Let's see what's the strategy right now for the UNC Greyhounds. But that error again, I think the BISCAST need to minimize their unforced errors kung gusto talaga nilang lumamang dito against the UNC. Kasi if the UNC have the momentum, talagang sure ball. Lalaban at lalaban. But talking about that, after that play in the middle, actually it's a mishit nga eh. Tumatawa pa dito si Itis.
That was a good connection there from the setter in the middle blocker of BISCAST. Now, Kelly, let's talk about the early substitution of their team captain. Well, BISCAST should actually leverage this opportunity to create points because Antonio is a key player for the Greyhounds and now he's out. And they have to actually get a point for every single opportunity that they have.
Well, actually, yes. They need to take this advantage considering that Proa is in the outside of the court. And of course, we don't know what's the tactics of the head coach of the UNC Greyhound. But of course, the BISCAST need to maximize it kasi their star player of the UNC Greyhounds are now outside. However, Proa is there to lead the UNC Greyhounds after that cut shot coming from him, and it will not be an easy one for the BISCAST, lalo na that we are tied again for this matchup. And now Ricoberta on the service line, now setting up to the open. Buneo through the block with a little bit of taray inside the court.
A good attack because malayo siya sa net at nagawan niya pa yun ng paraan. In front of him was the tall blockers from the Greyhounds. The confidence is really there.
Now Kimpo with that steal. And Proa again. Now Antonio will be back, Aljan, inside the court. Parang pinahinga lang dito si Antonio kasi nga backline siya kanina and errors committed by him. Let's see and how he will contribute on this team.
The Proa is on the deck to serve. Deadlock at 11. On the middle. There's no touch.
It's a long shot after that hit coming from Itis. And now Proa still on the service line. But an error for Proa. Again, we are on the deadlock. 12 all on the scoreboard.
Now Itis on the deck to serve. Good first ball for Proa. Middle attack. Easy. Dug up by Itis. Now, I guess there's no violation according to our first referee. BISCAST is contesting about the overreach.
They're complaining actually, and now the first referee and second referee are talking in front. And let's see. Still, it's not overreaching according to the referee. So it's a valid point for the UNC Greyhounds. And now, Rivero will be serving. Setting up in the middle with that spike. 13 all for the BISCAST Spartan.
Looking at that again, that was so fast. Kelly, a middle attack, good connection, and a kill for the Spartans.
I actually don't know what's happening right now. Nagtitilian at mukhang masaya dito on the side of Spartans.
But now Bonea is ready for his serve.
Now taking the time. I think he's ready to serve right now. Washale Bonayo from Libmanan Tinalmud. Now Kimpo with the receive. Relay with that spike. Now Valentino. To open, and it's a check ball.
That was again a good kill for Abundo, challenging the single block there of UNC Greyhounds. Now we are, seeing the composure on the side of the Spartans. 1 point ahead dito ang Spartans. Now again, Relay will be out in this early set. Now, Kelly, we don't usually see this early substitution on the side of UNC, but we'll see kung paano nila i-execute ang play na ito.
They're actually currently struggling inside the court. Kaya siguro palit-palit ng players dito. However, now Antonio with a spike, and the point for him with that tear down.
Now, looking at that attack, yan ang inaantay natin na powerful attack coming from Antonio, knowing him, right, beaten the defending champions, and we want more.
And this highly per player, But, binawian dito on the side of the BISCAST. Flores in the middle.
Well, jersey number 1, making him the top one here on that middle attack.
Again, miscommunication inside the court for the UNC Greyhounds. It's very unusual that we see 16-14 for the UNC Greyhounds.
Now Abundo is on the deck to serve. Again, a miscue there by Proa and Antonio. A shaky start there, Kelly, sa side ng UNC that we don't usually see.
Now Abundo with that serve. Now Kimpo, almost a service ace again. But Antonio, unforced error on the side of the UNC Greyhound, and they will be calling a timeout.
Again, a timeout for the UNC Greyhounds. They are down 4 points. Now, Kelly, on your perspective, what seems, happening on the side of the Greyhounds?
Well, I think it's their communication inside the court, as in, nag-aagawan ng bola, there is no good connection, and also, I think they need to strengthen their receive para at least they can make a good play. Kaya na nga napansin natin, early substitutions for the star players, pinapasok dito yung mga second stringers. However, still they cannot manage to habulin ang puntos dito, considering that we are now on 18-14 and the BISCAST Spartans is currently leading the set 1 with 18 points. Of course, talking about the UNC Greyhounds, balik na sa dating players dito, and even Kimpo, she has a shaky receive, but let's see on how they will cope with this system. But right now, Texon with the block. Good point. Again!
Well, Flores taking that advantage.
They're actually being rattled inside the court. Parang, alam mo yung pinapangunahan sila dito ng kaba or what. walang magandang communication talaga.
Well, later, Kelly will check in to our courtside reporter of what seems, happening on the side of UNC. But right now, BISCAST is actually taking this advantage. Now 6 points away to close this first set. Now Abundo is on the deck to serve.
An early advantage for the BISCAST. Now Abundo. Pro with the receive. Setting up to Antonio. Ginawa ng paraan. Good save. Now chance outside for the BISCAST. And that ends their momentum for this set. And let's see kung paano mabubuhay dito yung UNC Greyhounds with 4 points down.
Now down to 4 points ang hinahabol dito ng Greyhounds.
Now, Antonio with the serve. Buneo. 1-2 play. Not an effective one. Now, Kimpo setting up to Proa. Deflected. Good ball. 1-2 play. And effective for Rico Huerta. The players are actually shouting that it's not a good one for Antonio after that spike. But according to the first referee, tumama yung bola na yon, and syempre sila yung masusunod dito, and it's a point for the UNC Greyhound.
Well, now down to 3 points ang kinahabol dito ng Greyhounds.
Service ace for Antonio at nabubuhayan na nga dito ang UNC Greyhounds with 2 points down against the BISCAST, and the BISCAST will be calling a timeout right now. And I think Aljan, the BISCAST is overwhelmed after that lead. And they must not be complacent kasi alam nila yung magiging laro dito ng UNC Greyhound. However, on the side of the UNC Greyhound, they need to be consistent on that, especially on their momentum right now. Kasi alam din nila kung paano maglaro ang BISCAST dito.
Well, BISCAST now, down to 2-point advantage. They have to capitalize this advantage because as we know, Greyhounds is a great team. Kaya nilang habulin at ipanalo ang set as now Antonio will be serving the ball.
Again, Antonio, after their timeout, now serving. Good serve again. Now Valentina Nulog, Kimpo is there. Rico Huerta to Proa. Good pick up by Buneo. Now chance on the back. Antonio with that. 1-2 play again. Now Valentina. Deflected. Kimpo is there. Setting up to Proa. And the good point for the UNC Greyhound. What a cut shot. What a strong hit coming from Proa.
That was again a good cross-court
hit.
That's true for Proa.
Also, the coverage of the both teams is now superb. And Antonio still on the service line, trying to tie this up.
A good 4-0 run there on the side of UNC. Not a good set now. We're at the deadlock at 19. And again, a timeout is called for the BISCAST Spartans. A change of momentum in this tail end of the first set.
And the table have turned. Aljan. Timeout dito for the BISCAST. And as we look on the game highlights for this set, even hindi pa tapos ang laban, we have now kung paano hinabol ng UNC Greyhounds. We've seen that 1-2 play from Rico Huerta and Antonio with the service aces. And Proa with the court with that cut shot or cross court hit. At buhay na nga dito at now Lopez will be going inside and Cadiz will go outside. Let's see how they will manage to lead again against the Greyhounds. Now still on the service line. Kanina pa siya dito. Antonio. Another good serve. Almost a service ace. Now chance on the back. Good pickup. Ricoberta to Proa. And the good point through the block for Proa.
Well, I love how Proa using the blockers to actually, slow down that ball and mahulog sa donut hole doon ng Spartans. Now, they are on the advantage of 1 point. A 5-0 run for the Greyhounds.
Valentino setting up to the opposite. Good cover. Regalo bat! Sayang yung puntos na yon with that error. Masyadong na-overwhelm dito si Flores after that regalo. A violation coming from him. And the UNC Greyhound is now leading with 2 points. And buhay na dito si Antonio, serving and defending as well the ball, the floor defense. Now Antonio still on the service line. A 6-0 run for them. But service out. And now Castor will go inside. And Flores will go outside for the BISCAST. And now he's ready to serve. 21-20, 1 point lead for the UNC Greyhound. Kimpo. Now Ricoberta to Proa. Again. Down the line hit. And through the block. Coming from Proa. He's living the moment today. And they are now led with 2 points. And Texon will be serving.
A good serve for Texon. Again, dug up. Proa tries again. Castor, good dig. Back row attack. Proa again, drop ball is checked. 1-2 play there, and that sails in. Well, a smart move for the Greyhounds.
And also, Aljan, the floor defense of jersey number 7 from the Greyhounds, Barawel. Kanina pa siya dito talaga nakakaputo. At syempre, considering that he's just a substitute for Rile, but contributing on his team. Good, but an error for Texon. Libre en puntos. It's 23-21 on the scoreboard.
Well, a tense situation for the both teams. 23-21. Valentina is on the deck to serve. Now Proa again, bibigyan ng bola. Check. Proa, combination play. Now Castor, keep that ball alive. 1-2 play again. And that was a point for the Greyhounds. Set point for the Greyhounds.
We are now set point for the Greyhounds. Nabuhay dito yung UNC after that run. And now Ricoberto will be serving. Now Lopez on the opposite. Ginawa ng paraan. Kimpo is there. Setting up and combination play. And that ends this set after that combination play of Barawel. 25-21, and it's the UNC Greyhounds for the first set. Magbabalik po tayo for the second set. Only here in Bucal Season 6 Volleyball Tournament on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor. Kasurog kang kalikasan. Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer
Welcome back on the hard court now. We are at the second set of the semifinals between BISCAST Spartans and UNC Greyhounds. A turn of event happened at the first set as the Greyhounds took over the win. Well, Kelly, as we've mentioned a while ago, sayang yung run ng Spartans. They can actually close the set and win. However, the leadership of Antonio with Proa is really unstoppable.
Hindi nagpatinag dito yung mga veteran players on the side of the UNC Greyhounds at nabuhay liwat again after that service, a 5-0, 6-0 run coming from Antonio. And I think the BISCAST now need to maximize again the efforts and the court para malamangan dito ang UNC Greyhounds. But on that thing, puntos for the BISCAST after that spike after coming from Boneo. Now talking about the win of the first set of UNC Greyhounds. Let's hear an update to Precious. Precious, ano ang update dyan sa'yo?
Yes, Kelly and Aljon, as we can see ngayon, dito ay talagang mas nag-iinit ang suporta na nanggagaling sa ating UNC community. Kaya naman, the burning spirit of Greyhounds to ace today's matchup is getting wild there. Sabi nga kanina ng kanilang coaches, kinakailangan nilang pagtibayan pa ang kanilang tiyempo. Huwag papalampasin ang bawat blockings at ang pinaka-importante ay gampanan ng bawat roles and responsibilities sa loob ng court. Additionally, the Greyhounds fed their mindset with their current mantra, give an all-out, flawless execution. That's all for now. Balik sa inyo, Kelly and Alton.
Thank you so much, Precious. Give an all-out for this second set. Now, that's mantra. Titingnan natin kung may execute nila yon as they are now, naghahabol sila ng 2 points from the BISCAST.
Again, an early advantage for the BISCAST. And let's see on how the UNC Greyhounds will took another point in order to tie up this. We try it now, Ricoberta setting up to the combination play. Kimpo is there. Now Ricoberta to Rile. And a good point for Rile. But talking about the BISCAST Spartans, let's hear an update after that loss on the first set to Dylan. Dylan, take it away.
Thank you, Kelly and Aljan. Ramdam nga ang dedikasyon ng dalawang kupunan na makapunta sa first few seconds ng first set. The BISCAST Spartans committed few errors but they still remained calm at paalala din nga ni Coach na sa bawat error ay kailangang bumawi. Dikit na dikit nga ang laban ng teams. The BISCAST Spartans are showing a strength that they have. The team reminded each other to focus on their goal. Iwasan ang pag-commit ng errors at huwag matakot mag-perform for them to surely win the first set. However, the last few seconds ng first set, the Team BISCAST Spartans committed a lot of errors that leads to their loss. The teams are still positive na sila ay makakabawi at ibibigay ang lahat na meron sila for them to win the second set. Patuloy natin natutukan ang labanan ng UNC Greyhounds at BISCAST Spartans dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Dylan. Yes, there were unforced errors on the tail end of the first set. That's why the UNC took over that win. But now, umaarangkada dito ang BISCAST with that powerful attack coming from Abundo.
What an attack coming from Abundo. Nabigyan dito ng buwelo si Abundo. That's why the down the line hit. It's 5-3, 2 points lead for the BISCAST. Now, Ricoberta setting up to the combination, Antonio, and a good point for him. 5-4 on the scoreboard. Now he will be serving. The captain ready to serve. Valentina. Now Ricoberta. And Rivero with that hit. Now Pro will go outside. And jersey number 6 would go inside. It's Quinto.
Now the team captain again is on the deck to serve. Deadlock at 5. Poor reception. Now Cadiz manufacture that attack. Deflected by the blockers. Middle attack. And another error there for the BISCAST. Miscue on the side of the setter and the middle attack. Lopez will check in. Cadiz will be out. Early substitution here for the Spartans. That sails outside for Antonio.
Bawian ng unforced error dito. 7-6. And the UNC is now leading with 1 point and Rivero is now serving. Valentino with that set. Now, chance. Ricoberta. Combination play. Deflected. Ricoberta in the middle. Now, chance.
Lopez had to adjust. Now on the open, a good dig for Abundo. Middle attack again. Good pickup by Lopez.
Chance for the Greyhounds. Ricoberta setting up in the middle. Another good coverage. Kinulik ang bola. Valentina now setting up to the open. Good dig by Antonio, but no one get that ball.
Well, let's look at that again. A rally actually stopped with that attack coming from Lopez. Well, the first few sets, Lopez was struggling to kill the ball, but that point was actually for him. Combination play, that sails inside.
That spike coming from Quinto. Combination play and an effective one for them. They're now leading with 1 point again, and Ricoberta will be serving. Valentina.
Lopez
The
again.
opposite. Actually, it's a mishit, Aljan. But still a big point.
That's true, Kelly. A good point again for Lopez, squeezing it through the blockers. And a point for him. A great substitution for the Spartans.
And now Lopez will be serving for the BISCAST Spartans. Antonio with the receive. Bicol Party setting up. But the block coming from the BISCAST Spartan. And look at the replay. A block coming from Boneo. Now Antonio. And binawian dito ni Rile with that check ball. Pinadaan sa blocker and it's a big point for the UNC Greyhounds.
Now that attack was actually a good point for Rile. The block were already established but swiping it through it is actually a good point for him.
Quinto with that serve. Sige mo na para again. Good coverage by now chance. Ricoberta setting up to Antonio. Good dig there by Lopez. Now chance. Kimpo. Easy ball. Ampongan with that spike in the middle. They're now leading with 1 point. As we look into the instant replay. The smash coming from Ampongan. Now Quinto will be serving again. But an unforced error for the UNC Greyhounds. And I think they need again to minimize this one in order for them to lead naman dito against the BISCAST. Kasi kanina pa sila dito hinahabol. At we are seeing Proa again inside the court. Kimpo with the receive. Coberta to the opposite. Through the block by Rile. Another good point for the UNC Greyhounds.
Again, Kelly deadlock at 10. What an intense second set. Now on the open, Abondo
Actually,
deflected.
they are now leading with 1 point, the UNC Greyhound Algen.
Now a rally continues and straight to the net for Abondo. Make that 2-point lead for the Greyhounds.
Alam mo yan talaga yung mga bagay na hindi mo talaga siya ma-anticipate, lalo na kapag open spiker ka na sobrang baba pala ng palo na yon. Ken, kailangan bumawi dito, but Boneo with that down the line hit.
Ang nipis ng down the line na yon, Kelly.
Napaka-nipis. Algen. At kita mo talaga yung form na yon ng katawan ni Boneo and that. Good placement for him.
Now, I think the team captain again will be out.
Coberta combination play. And a good dig there. And deflected point for the UNC Greyhound.
Well, a powerful attack coming from that sequence.
What a hit coming from Butial. Now setting up in the middle. And it's a lucky point for the BISCAST Spartans.
Abondo again, straight to the net, and force errors. Now Relay will check it out. And again, a substitution.
Cabral will go inside. At you know what, Aljon? Ginagamit talaga dito ng head coach ang kanilang players inside A little bit of struggle there. Marami nagagamit dito yung UNC, but again, Lopez with the same spot goes straight down to the net. Ginagawa ng paraan, however, mababa yung pasa dito. And now Butial's now serving.
Good serve. Now on the opposite. A good point again for that guy on jersey number 1, Flores. Now Flores on the deck to serve. Naghahabol sila dito ng dalawa. Great first ball. And catches the line.
Lopez. Long shot, no check ball. It's 17-13 on the scoreboard. And they will be calling a timeout for the BISCAST Spartans. And as we look now on the hard court, timeout called by the BISCAST Spartans kasi 4 na dito ang kalamangan ng UNC Greyhounds, and they need to at least convert the point little by little to tight, to have a deadlock again at magkaroon again ng advantage against the UNC Greyhounds kasi kaya naman talaga nila dito.
That's true, Kelly. But what seems the problem here on the side of BISCAST is their unforced errors on the service and attacks. Madaming outside, but they have to actually continue to play in this second set dahil naghahabol sila dito. Again, as what I've said, Kelly, attack errors there coming from Lopez.
If I am not mistaken, kanina pa talaga dito piniplace ni Lopez to go to down the line hit, but still it's not an effective for him. Palaging tumatama on the net, straight on the net. Kaya naman not an effective. But right now, almost a service ace there. Mag-aagaw ng bola. Ricoberta setting up to Ampongan. Miss hit. Now, Cadiz with that spike. Good dig by Cabral. On the back. Regalo, good dig! Now Cadiz, but hindi nagawa ng paraan dito ni Proa.
Now let's credit to that dig coming from Abundo. Nakuha pa yon ng Spartans ang puntos na yon. Courtesy of Cadiz.
It seems like it's very impossible, but still,
that's true.
Magagaling na skills ang pinapakita dito. Both teams. That is why the defense is, top tier on the side of the BISCAST. But right now, Washley Boneo checking up the ball to Rico Huerta. And it's a good point for them. It's 18-15. 3-point lead for the Greyhound. Now Rico Huerta setting up combination play. Good pickup by Kimpo. Setting up to Proa again. And through the block. Pinadaan dito kay Cadiz yung bola na yon. And Antonio will go inside. And Butia will go outside for the UNC Greyhounds.
Well, Botia really played well as a substitute for Antonio.
Coberta with that serve, almost a service ace. Now chance for the Greyhounds. The Coberta in the middle, Ampongan! And it's a good point for him. Almost first line hit for Ampongan. And another substitution really will go inside. And Cabral will go outside for the UNC Greyhounds and 5-point way to close this set. Again, on the service line, Rico Huerta.
Great first ball from Galbo. It is placing it through, but Kimpo sees that one. Proa trying for a cut shot, but straight to the net.
What a slide coming from Kimpo. Now Cadiz will be serving.
That was a good kill for Ampongan. A great connection with his setter, Rico Huerta. Now Proa will be serving. 4 points away and closing this second set. Sank receive. Ginawa ng paraan but blocked. Another timeout for the BISCAST Spartans.
The UNC Greyhound is now leading with 3 points. BISCAST after that errors again, now calling the timeout. As we look on the right now on the court, and we are back. Now, setting up the dot, but a long shot for Abundo. And it's a check ball according to the first referee. Tumama yung bola na yon. And I think tumama siya kay Rile. Checking his, hand right now. Now Rico Huerta to Rile with that double quick.
Well, Kelly, I love that play kasi nahuli ang isang blockers doon. Now, really facing only one blocker, but this guy will never gonna give you a softball. Laging power at power talaga yan.
What an attack there for the Greyhounds. Pinawian naman dito on that quick coming from Flores. But again, Aljon, that play, first time, having that combination play, the decoy for the Greyhounds. And a service ace for Boneo right now. It's time out for the UNC Greyhounds. Magandang time out dito ng coach ng UNC. As it seems like the error is happening again for the Greyhounds, and they need to stop that. The BISCAST need to be consistent on this para mahabol and to at least tied up this score with 23-19. And of course, kapag na-tied up na dito, they will be having the momentum to push through to win this set for them. And now we are back on the court. Buneo is now serving. But unforced error that leads to a set point for the UNC Greyhound.
A good first ball. And the struggling Spartans here. Kimpo, good receive, combination play. Soft ball for Antonio. Now Abundo, great dig for really Antonio, really getting that ball. And now the Greyhounds is one set away to advance in the finals. And tune in on our live stream for more actions only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Back on the hard court now, UNC Greyhounds is first set away to advance in the finals of Season 6 of Bucal. But on the side of the Spartans, I know they want to extend this. But, you know, if natalo sila dito, there's no tomorrow for them. But if they continue their momentum to spike up, they can extend this to a fifth and deciding set. Now Cadiz. That drop ball is checked. Abondo on the back. And a good start for the Spartans.
And you know what, Aljan? There is no Antonio and Proa inside the court for the third set for the Greyhounds. And let's see on how they will manage this one. Now, A good spike coming from Boneo. 2-0. After that hit coming from Boneo, of course, let's hear an update on the side of Spartans. We have Dylan. Dylan, ano ang update dyan?
Thank you, Kelly and Aljen. Mas lalo nga ang naging mainit ang naging laban sa pagpasok ng second set. The Spartans ay desididong makabawi at makapuntos. The team focused to their plan and strategies para patuloy na makapuntos. Bawat opensa at depensa ay may halong pagpupursige na may panalo ang laban. Reminder pa din ni coach sa team na kailangan ng tiyaga at tiwala sa isa't isa para makapagbigay ng magandang laban. Paalala pa rin ng team members sa isa't isa na mag-relax lang at enjoy ang laro. Due to a lot of errors again, the team BISCAST Spartans muli nga silang kinapos at naipanalo ng UNC Greyhounds ang second set. The Spartans are still positive at ayon pa sa team, sila ay lalaban pa. Third set ay crucial set for the Spartans dahil isang set na lang ay may papanalo na ng UNC Greyhounds ang matchup. Muli pa kayang aangat ang BISCAST Spartans sa matchup na ito o tuluyan ang maiuwi ng UNC Greyhounds ang panalo. Tutok lang dito sa Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Dylan. You know, it's the efforts and patience inside the court because it's not easy to get a point, especially when you're facing a very good team. But, you know, I hope na talagang bibigyan ng efforts dito at pasensya ng BISCAST para makakuha sila ng puntos. Now, Ascades get that point. Now, they are 3 points ahead in this third set.
Again, an early advantage for the BISCAST. Let's see. Ricoberta to Ampongan. And that's a good point for him. 4-2. Right now, after that hit, of course, talking about the UNC Greyhound, let's hear an update ang ating kasamang course reporter on that side, Precious. Ano ang update dyan?
Yes, Kelly and Aljon, as we move forward to the most crucial phase of this momentum, the UNC Greyhounds is sustaining their energy for a continuous leading points. For them to flawlessly execute their defenses during the huddle ay muling ipinaalala sa kupunan ang kanilang best set of their routine. Tignan at kilalanin ang ibinibigay ng kalaban and to never fall short in their attacks. That's all for now. Balik sa inyo, Kelly and Aljon.
Thank you, Precious. Never fall short because they are set point away to advance on the finals and naghahabol sila dito ng 3 points and we'll see kung gaano nila kagusto ang mag-advance sa finals at kung gaano nila hahabulin ang 3 points in this third set.
And of course, Cañeta after that hit combination play. Now Ampongan will be serving to tight as a score. Now Valentina, the middle. And Texon with that regalo, with that placement. 1 point lead for the BISCAST Spartans, and we saw this same thing again, Aljon, earlier on the first set and second set. Siyempre, hahabulin nito ng UNC Greyhounds. However, now Boneo with that shot. Ricoberta setting up to Cañeta. Now Boneo will set to Abundo, but
now Abundo Kelly was checked by the 2 blockers of the Greyhounds. We are now deadlocked at 5.
We are tied now, Aljon.
Again, check ball for Spartans.
Boneo having the time to play this time and giving points to his team, but giving an error as well, and a free point for the UNC Greyhound.
Now, Kelly, if you are, naghahabol ka talaga, you can't afford unforced errors. Now we'll see if they can minimize these errors. Now Spartans, a good dig for Kimpo and a good point for that guy.
What a pancake save! Look at that! Good slide, good anticipation. This libero from the UNC Greyhound, what a game for her. Now Abundo down the line, but inside, according to the referee. Check ball.
Now the first referee awarded the point to the Spartans. Well, I believe check ball kasi first referee talagang dumaan in front of him yung bola.
That's true. Mahirap lang talagang makita on our part. However, of course, the referee is there. Again, sabi mo nga, in front of him. And he is confident with that. However, service ace for Kimpo and 1-point lead for the BISCAST, and Cabral will going inside and Cañeta will go outside on the side of the UNC Greyhounds. And now Abundo is on the back and ready to serve, while Cadiz is now ready to dash in front of the court. Could receive in the middle. Maagang bakbak gamit yung palong yon coming from Butial, jersey number 19.
So much power on that attack, single block.
Nakita mo yung
the elevation, Kelly,
the elevation, the form. Now Valentino will go to the opposite, but
so
outside.
Much angle, Kelly, for Flores, avoiding the blockers, but he wasn't successful.
Almost a service ace. Bunayo will go set. Go ng paraan ni Cadiz, but kinuha pa dito. Sayang yung bantay na yun doon ng kanilang libero. And Butial will now be serving.
Now 2 points advantage for Greyhounds. On the middle. That one is good for Flores. Not a good first ball. Now Kimpo sends that on a free ball. 1-2 play. Let's check. Not a good first ball again. I guess there was a touch. A point for the Greyhounds.
Now Texon on the service deck. Valentina.
Cadiz. Yes, check. A good defense there. 1-2 play. A good puto from Galbo. Abundo tries to get a kill. Jacks at the net. I think the point will go to the UNC. And a timeout for the Spartans. 12-9, Kelly.
Well, Aljan, they thought it's their score. However, it's a net touch violation for the BISCAST. And 3-point lead now for the UNC Greyhound. And they need to protect this one. Because you know that BISCAST, kayang-kaya nilang humabol. They can have the momentum. And they need, again, to protect this one. And to end this game to go or to have a spot to the final round. Now, as we see right now, the game highlights. Again, that spike coming from Butial.
Now, double substitution on the side of the Spartans. Now we'll see if what kind of play does the BISCAST want to execute in this third set. Now some clarifications on the side of the technical, and Texon is now ready to serve. They're now ready to take this set, or can the BISCAST Spartans have a good one and extend this set to a decision game? Can now serving Texon in the middle. Good pick up there by Galbo. Open to Cadiz. That sails outside. They are asking for a check, but there's no check ball. Of course, Rick would like to acknowledge the presence of all the live audiences right now at the NCF Covered Court. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin ngayon. And of course, our online viewers, we have now watching Christine Reyes. Thank you very much for watching. Chi Ramos, Kiyon Bruzola, Chin De La Cruz, and of course, Hans Tyron Manaloto. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok sa aming live stream. And now, with that hit, coming from Quinto. Now Texon is now ready to serve again. In the middle, but check ball. Even though it's an outside hit, still a check ball on the blocker. Now Cadiz is on the deck to serve. A 1-2 play is good for Ampongan. A good combination play. Now they are ahead 5 points on this set. Now that was a low set for Itis, straight to the net. Aljon, we would like to thank the following sponsors. Of course, this Bucal Season 6 Volleyball Tournament is represented by Naga College Foundation, Gold Gloffa Construction, Lemon Residences, and NCF Wings. Maraming salamat po. And many more sponsors that we'll be mentioning later on. But on that sequence, a spike coming from Cadiz. Now he'll be serving. Coberta setting up to that ginawa na paraan. And again, Kelly, the unforced errors of miscommunication on the side of Spartans is killing them. Now it's 17-11. Quinto with the serve. 1-2 play, but not an effective one for him. Now Valentina will go inside. With Di Matera. And Bunaya will go inside for the BISCAST Spartans. And Di Matera, no, as we seeing on his face,
the disappointment after that error. But right now, Quinto will be serving, but an error after taking that time. We have 18-12.
Now Itis is on the deck to serve. They are down here. And the UNC is actually a few points away to close its third set. But tumahabol pa dito ang Spartans.
Both teams are currently, lacking when it comes to receive. However, on that sequence, good save. Buneo gawa ng paraan. Now Rico Huerta setting up to open, but outside. And it's a point for the UNC Greyhounds. What a spike coming from Bucal again. Substitution earlier on the second set, but right now playing as an open spiker for the third set and contributing lots of points. But on that sequence on the side of the BISCAST, Flores giving that point in the middle. Palitan lamang dito ng puntas, but still 5 points lead for the UNC Greyhound.
Now Texon is checked. Abundi on the open, challenging the double block. Now, 4 points ang hinahabol dito ng BISCAST. And a timeout button is pushed by the UNC Greyhounds.
Timeout called on that. And we are seeing a 4-point lead. Still UNC trying to end this match with 3 straight sets only and have a spot on the final round. The final round on April 1 for this tournament. Let's see on how they will be able to have a ticket going into the finals. The UNC Greyhound and the BISCAST is now back on the court. Came with the receive Rico Huerta, Cañeta. Now, Valentina will be setting up to Abando.
Wow, Abondo is actually showcasing creativity in terms of his attacks, targeting there down the line. 16-9. Again, a 3-0 run here for the Spartans. 2 points away in tying this set. Good first ball on the opposite Cañeta. Galvo is there. Abondo again, too close to the net. And a point for the Greyhounds.
Five points away to end this match. Cañeta will be serving.
Abondo. Soft touch is no good for Kimpo. Drop ball. On the middle. Napasobra. But there's a check ball. According to our first referee.
Three-point lead still. 2-point lead for the UNC Greyhound and the BISCAST Spartans trying to tie up this score.
Kimpo Kelly, unusual reception error for her. Now 1 point away to tie up this third set. Proa will check in. I think Proa will be on the offensive end here. Now, Abondo will be on the back after the serve. Not a good first ball. Now, chance to tie this combination play. And that was wide. Sayang yon, Kelly. Again, Aljan, the unforced error. The BISCAST cannot afford error like that kasi sila yung umahabol dito as well as on the side of the UNC Greyhound. They need to take this advantage or their lead to end this match. And right now, Proa will be serving. Float serve. Now, Cadiz with the receive. Going to him. And Jan si Kimpo. Recoberta. Ken. Coberta setting up again to Quinto. Valentina deflect now. But a good point for Cadiz. I love the attack of Cadiz using the hands of the blocker. Now, 1 point away, Kelly. This is a tense moment for all of us here at the NCF forward court. Flores, but an error again. The adrenaline on that thing. They cannot afford to have an error. 2-point lead for the UNC Greyhound. Now Texon with that error also. Palitan lamang dito. And we are tied. 22-21. 1-point lead for the UNC Greyhound. Now, Antonio is now in front. I'm sure sa kanya. Yes, but it's a free ball. Now Itis plays open. Check. 1-2 play. Galvo got a hands on it. Itis again tries. But Antonio. Galvo, good pickup. And Itis couldn't handle that ball. Now, UNC is 2 points away to advance in the finals. 2 points away, Aljan. And the UNC Greyhounds are now smiling. However, hindi pwedeng maging complacent talaga dito. That's true, Kelly. Kasi 21 yung BISCAST. Actually, isang error lang dito. Isa na lang ang kalamangan nila. And now, again, with a nerve-wracking moment for the BISCAST and the UNC. That's true, Kelly. But on the side of BISCAST, isang rotation lang. Abondo will be on the front. And sa UNC naman, Antonio, I'm sure they will capitalize on his attacks. A great first ball. Puneo with that long shot. Too strong. He did not make a safe attack on that, considering that they are down with 2 points kanina and now 3 points. 24-21. Match point, Kelly, for the UNC Greyhounds. And the players are now holding their hands, trying to end this game. Now Valentino will be setting up to the middle. Now chance. And hindi pa tapos ang laban. Aljan, 24-22. Now Abondo is on the front. Now this is actually a good rotation for the BISCAST, but they have to get a great recovery here. A first ball is no good. Now chance. Abondo can extend this, and yes, he can. Now 1 point away to tie this, and the UNC Greyhounds
push the timeout button.
We actually expected on this one. We expect this one, Aljan, na talagang magiging git-gita ng laban. Actually, nalamig na ako dito with this tense happening inside the court. 24-23 mga kaibigan. And let's see if the UNC Greyhound will end this game with 3 sets straight only, or the BISCAST Spartan can extend this game.
Well, the crowd is going wild in this third set. Now, it's on the hand of Cadiz. His serve. A sure serve. Now, Antonio at the pipe, and UNC Greyhounds is going to the finals once again. 25-23, a celebration for them.
And that ends the game today. It's 25-23, the battle of the semifinals between the BISCAST Spartans and the UNC Greyhounds. Makikita natin ang Greyhounds on the finals. And let's see kung sino mga kalaban nila later on the game between the BU and the NCF. Only here on Bucal Season 6 Volleyball Tournament on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business.
And our best player of the game for our semifinals is brought to you by Tigers Cafe, located Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. And once again, congratulations, UNC Greyhounds. You guys will advance to the finals. And our best player of the game, you know him, Cesar Antonio, jersey number 3 with 9 attacks, 1 block, 2 excellent reception, and 10 points in total. Well, Cesar Antonio, you have been playing so good in the Season 6 of Bucal. Well, I wanna know kung paano ka nag-prepare coming up against the BISCAST Spartan.
First of all po, nag-prepare po, piniprayer ko po ang sarili ko po sa pamamagitan ng mind setting, focus lang sa court, focus sa sistema at yung yung paglakas ng loob at pagtatag ng isips. Dahil isa sa mga keys para manalo sa game is mental toughness. Yun lamang po.
And that mental toughness lead you to win this game against the Spartans. Now, kanina, your coaches actually binabalasa niya yung players. You know, we saw the second stringers on the hard court. And now, I wanna know, paano kayo nag-prepare as a team coming up this game?
Actually, this season po, we have our new system po na which is tinitiwalaan po namin. At yun po yung sistema na ina-apply namin sa loob ng court at pagbabalasan ng mga players sa loob ng court. Hindi lang po 6 lang yung naglalaro sa loob ng court, kundi lahat po kami nakakalaro, which is good thing since lahat po may exposure sa laro at nakakapagpahinga naman po yung iba.
Well, last 2 questions. Ano ang paghahandaan ng ibang teams sa UNC Greyhounds na mag-a-advance na kayo sa finals?
Paghandaan po ng mga teams yung paghahanda po namin, our new system, at marami po kaming surprise.
I love that surprises. And once again, shout out to your supporters, schools, at mga taong nagsusuporta sa'yo.
First of all po, thank you po kay Lord sa pagtaoning guidance. And thank you po sa UNC administrators. And kay Coach po, thank you po sa support po sa mga shoutout po sa family ko, sa friends, sa baby ko. Yun lamang po. Thank you.
Congratulations again, Cesar Antonio. And congratulations, UNC Greyhounds.
Semi-finals for the men's division. Congratulations, of course, to UNC Greyhounds for having dispatched for the finals.
And also congratulations for the Spartans. A good comeback for you guys. And we hope a stronger Spartans in the next season of Bucal.
And of course, manatili po tayong tumutok dahil susunod na ang bakbakan ng Bicol University Wolves versus the NCF Tigers. Dito lamang yan sa Bucal Season 6, Men's and Women's Volleyball, only here again. Ako po si Kelly Francisco.
And I'm Aljon Cibolo Pogoy. This is Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.